We've all felt it. You start strong in the gym, see quick progress, and then suddenly nothing changes. The scale stalls, your lifts plateau, and your reflection looks the same week after week. This is the dreaded plateau, and it can make you question everything: your routine, your genetics, even your commitment. But hitting a plateau isn't failure. It's your body adapting to the challenge you've given it. The same workout that once sparked growth is now just maintenance. To break through, you need to change the stimulus, not just work harder. Most people either double down on what's not working or give up entirely. The real solution? Work smarter by focusing on 3 pillars: training, stimulus, nutrition, and recovery. Mastering these areas turns plateaus into launch pads for new growth. With the right plan, you can reignite progress and keep building muscle. Let's break down how. Your workout is a message to your body that gets stronger. If that message isn't getting louder or clearer, your body stops listening. The key is progressive overload, consistently increasing the challenge. This isn't just about adding weight. You can do more reps, more sets, or shorten rest times. Track your workouts and aim for small improvements each session. Focus on compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench presses as your foundation. Isolation moves are fine, but big lifts drive real change. Quality matters. Control the weight, use full range of motion, and connect with the muscle. Every rep should be intentional, not just movement for movement's sake. Make your training a craft, not a chore. Training signals growth, but nutrition supplies the building blocks. Without enough calories and protein, your body can't build muscle no matter how hard you train. Eat in a slight calorie surplus, about 250 to 500 extra calories a day. Hit at least 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, spread over 3 to 5 meals. Carbs fuel your workouts and recovery. Don't fear them. Healthy fats support hormones vital for muscle growth. Focus on whole foods, lean meats, fish, eggs, whole grains, fruits, and veggies. Track your intake for accuracy and adjust as needed. Nutrition isn't complicated, but it must be consistent. Muscle isn't built in the gym, it's built while you rest. Lifting breaks down muscle recovery, rebuilds it stronger. Sleep is king. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night for optimal hormone release and repair. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which can sabotage growth and recovery. Manage stress with meditation, deep breathing, or time in nature. Schedule rest days and occasional deload weeks to prevent burnout and injury. Listen to your body. Pushing nonstop leads to setbacks, not gains. Smart recovery turns hard work into real results. Don't skip it. Meet Alex, stuck at the same weight and lifts for months. He trained hard but didn't track progress or nutrition. First, we introduced progressive overload and a logbook to track every rep. Each week, Alex aimed for small improvements, not just repeating the same routine. Next, we calculated his calorie and protein needs, revealing he was undereating. With a targeted surplus and more protein, his body finally had the resources to grow. We fixed his sleep schedule and added rest days, breaking the stress cycle. Within weeks, Alex hit new PRs and gained muscle. The lesson? Progress comes from a deliberate system, not random effort. Plateaus are broken by smart changes across training, nutrition, and recovery. Anyone can do it with the right plan. Beyond the basics, a few extras can help. Creatine is proven to boost strength and muscle. 3 to 5 grams daily is enough. Protein powder is convenient for hitting your daily target, but not essential. Hydration matters. Muscles are mostly water, and even mild dehydration hurts performance. Aim for 3 to 4 liters of water daily. A support system, training partners, or a fitness community keeps you motivated and accountable. Most important is mindset. See yourself as someone who trains and eats and recovers like an athlete. Consistency beats motivation. Habits shape results. On tough days, your identity keeps you on track. Build the habits and the results will follow. You have the blueprint. Now it's time to act. Track your workouts, nutrition, and sleep. Data shows what's working. When you hit a plateau, adjust with precision, not guesswork. Progress is built on hundreds of small, consistent choices. Don't chase perfection, chase consistency. Setbacks happen. Learn and move forward. This journey builds more than muscle. It builds discipline and self-belief. Take ownership, execute the plan, and watch your body change. Results aren't luck. They're by design. Start building your design today.